We now have the Luna Classic and Terra Luna on CoinMarketCap. It is here. It is still not tracked. The launch date is today. You can see that Luna is here. We also have a lot of things to talk about. There's a Mark Cuban conspiracy that will go over. Does he invest in Luna? We also have a few other things that I wanted to go over. First, the main question everyone is asking, this video is not financial advice. If you want to follow my trading signals, check the link in the description above. Subscribe to be updated with all the news. Love you guys. Like the video for the algorithm. Let's talk about Luna. Everyone is wondering about Luna 2.0 lunchtime, calculator, airdrop, Thursday. How much will you get? FTX? Will you get airdropped on exchanges? I can see and I have seen exchanges are already emailing me that I can get the airdrop, that I should check if I'm eligible, and so on and so forth. So definitely worth checking your email. Maybe you got an email, and as you can see, the interest for Luna 2.0 has been spiking in the last few days. As you can see right here, we have seen the supply votes. This is one of the things we will talk about, but I want to start from this article by Vinod Souza. Mark Cuban plans to invest in Terra Luna 2.0. Short answer, no, because he says that's unsustainable. So you don't get the Shark Tank mark. Where is it? It was the pretty much here. So that's kind of a rumor. He says it's not really. Here it is. I'm not involved at all in UST or Luna because you had the 20% APY. Most of us were interested in that and got rugged. Not involved at all. Never have owned any. He told Fortune when pressed why he decided not to invest in Luna 2.0. Cuban hinted that it's not a sustainable product. He says that Luna 2.0 is not sustainable. That's really bad for Luna. Even though he's not that fortunate in the crypto space from what he knows. He basically put radio broadcasting on the internet, TV on the internet, broadcasting TV or .com or whatever. He sold to Yahoo. The interesting thing is that Terra will burn the remaining USD supply as the vote turns in favor of the proposal. Here it is. Terra will burn the remaining USD supply as burn the remaining Terra USD voting comes to a favorable end of the proposal. Terra recently tweeted the proposal that since the USD has lost its peg, it's taking a tremendous toll on Luna's price. Obviously, it suggested burning the remaining USD from circulation. The voting for the proposal that went live finally came to a close. The primary obstacle is expelling the bad debt from USD circulation. But they need funding for that. I don't know how they'll do it. Burn proposal gets the green light. As per the records, currently, here it is, remains over a bill, remains in the community pool with a circulating supply of 11 bill, pretty much, 1 to 10. According to the data, more than 154,000 votes were recorded. 99% of the voters favored the proposal. Here it is. The decision of the communities to burn the remaining USD in the community pool, as well as the cross-chain liquidity resetting protocol, has been passed. I don't know how this should help the price by a little bit, but it's still not enough, basically. We have seen right now, when you go on CoinMarketCap, you'll probably see a lot of things are in the red. Even Step Hand that has been working out really well, and we had new project like it. You can see me talking about one of those and my team talking about them on my other channel that are basically walk toward blah blah being introduced, but not super interesting for most people. A lot of the things today are down. Bitcoin has been going down. If we go on TradingView right here, let me just open up the crypto index. Let me see which chart would be easier, because this is my scalping chart. Maybe I can use it to just give you a quick overview of what's going on when it loads. Give me a second. Like the video if you enjoyed the content so far. Let it flow. We'll go to BTC USDT. In the meantime, let's have too many tabs open on this computer. BTC USDT. If we go ahead and make it a little bit bigger so it's easier, basically like this, go to the 4-hour chart. Just want to see movement too, how it's performing. Yeah, we're definitely bottomed down in last 2-ish weeks. We've had a very choppy market, which is very good for scalping, very hard for trend trading. Basically, we have seen a bottom at around 26K. We definitely don't want to go below that because this is where Marco Sayward's liquidation target hit. Margin calls, I mean, I don't know if you'll be able to cover them. It's very important that we try to stay around this price and hopefully break above 31K, but who knows. Definitely the fact that we are in a choppy market, again, is preventing a lot of traders from trading. For me, that's okay because I use a very different strategy. I've been testing different things out that went terribly in the last few days with trend trading because we're in a choppy market. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section down below. See you next video. Bye.